Booyah! Check that out. The creek is raging right there. And sadly, it's going right through that horse farm. See it? Look at it. It's all in the woods here. It's just filled up. It's got nowhere else to go. And then right here, it's rushing right through. And there's the horses. The river's running right through their yard. Look at this. There's a house in there. See the horses? They're getting swamped. See the house? There's that dude's limo. That thing's all done. Wow. I'm imagining they got some water in their cellar. Look at that backyard. That dude's got a shed back there. That's underwater.